My name's Carl Lord, I work for Enterprise Rent-A-Car and I'm a Corporate Remarketing Manager in charge of research and analysis.
Hi, my name's Bavinia McKenzie. I work for Enterprise Rent-A-Car in our Bracknell office. I'm the Assistant Manager there.
My name's Ashley Heaver. I'm the European Talent Acquisition Manager at Enterprise Rent-A-Car.
My name's Kyesha Gibbs. I work for Enterprise Rent-A-Car and I'm the Assistant Manager of Gatwick branch.
Enterprise Rent-A-Car was formed in 1957 in St Louis in the States. The company is still family owned to this day. We're heavily present within local communities, within schools, within business. We're a very diverse company, an annual turnover of over $12 billion.
Enterprise Rent-A-Car, we recruit over 700 graduates a year into our graduate management training programme.
The company aren't specifically looking for certain degrees or certain qualifications in a candidate.
It really doesn't matter what degree you graduate with. Enterprise is a great company to work for. I graduated with a law degree and I still find Enterprise extremely rewarding, teaching me new things every day.
I actually did my degree in sports science and French.
At Enterprise Rent-A-Car, we look for candidates who've got experience in customer service, who've got an acumen for sales, who've got a good work ethic.
They're looking for a propensity to learn, the ability to work hard, and an entrepreneurial spirit.
You can get these skills from a variety of different places, either your work experience, any internship or placement that you've done, volunteering that you've done on campus, or any extracurricular activities, including societies or sports clubs that you've been involved in.
I met the recruitment team at my grad fair and was comparing the different graduation schemes that were about at the time, and Enterprise seemed like the best one because you was in control of your career and your development.
I decided to join the company after reading through the profiles that were previously on the website. It seemed like the perfect job for me with all the sales and the marketing and learning how to run your own business.
I think the biggest advantage of the graduate scheme with Enterprise Rent-A-Car is it's a career versus a job. It gives a candidate the ability to work through the system, to learn a business, effectively run a business as if it was their own.
The graduate scheme has benefited my career because it's given me the confidence to do what I didn't previously think I was able to do.
There are also lots of promotional opportunities.
One of the best things about working for Enterprise is how quickly you can progress.
The company promotes from within.
I started with Enterprise a year ago as a management trainee in the South Croydon branch. I then received my first promotion to management assistant within 7 months and got promoted to assistant manager within a year.
Once you've worked your way through the graduate training scheme, there are also other opportunities within different departments you can move on to, such as HR, sales, remarketing, vehicle acquisitions, risk management. The list is really endless.
When the Enterprise goes to university, take advantage and go to the stands and speak to our employees there. You'll get a better insight of what the company's about.
I think the biggest piece of advice I'd give to a graduate looking to apply for Enterprise Rent-A-Car is to do your research.
Ask questions, go to skill sessions, use your career services.
Let them know what you can bring to the company, not just what a company would want from you.
Be prepared, make sure that you really do your work before the interview.
Enterprise is about letting your personality shine through. It's about having fun but also getting the job done.
The way it works is you start as a management trainee and work your way through past the interview to become a management assistant, which then means you're eligible to apply for an assistant manager position. Then obviously onto branch manager, area manager and beyond.
A lot of it is in your control, so you need to show that you really want it. Be determined and be very focused and you'll get all the way to the top.